people looking at me outside the window and I don't give a fuck. This shit's good. Trying the Dubai chocolate cup.
I love chocolate. But I can't eat it because then I'll get
Wow.
fat.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
That is just amazing. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. It's really good. Delish. I won't be surprised if you see me eating the full thing. You think this is chocolate, but it's actually a strawberry. Oh my god, y'all. Nobody loves Dubai chocolate more than I do.